Okay, folks, what we got here is a Rockwell Delta 22-101 planer. It's got about a 13-inch wide surface area, and looks like the maximum depth is about 5 inches. So I'm going to grab a piece of old wood I got laying around here at the shop, an old piece of skid. Made sure it didn't have no nails in it. And I'm just going to go ahead and plane the top of it so you can see that it does work. I do not have a vacuum attached to it, so it's just going to have the chips sitting up in here. Cut there. Alright, so I'm not a woodworker. I don't know what type of wood it is, but you can see the finish is uniform. But considering just an old piece of material, an old piece of skid of some sort, seems to do pretty decent. So I'm gonna go ahead and call this a cut on this, and bid hard, bid crazy, and most important thing at the end, be the highest bidder.